Hi, and welcome to CableFinder. In today's episode, we're going to do a deep dive on the Serviceability results page. Simply enter an address or a business name, and the built-in Google integration will find the address for you. CableFinder integrates with the carrier's own databases, giving you live, real-time results. As you'll see here, we'll start on the left-hand side with our results map. CableFinder not only shows you the building you requested, but also other lit buildings in close proximity. You can expand the map for a little closer view, zoom in, zoom out, and use even Google Places and Streets to look at it. CableFinder will show you other lit buildings nearby and the associated cable company that has services in those buildings. Close the pop-out, and we move on to our lit building lists. This is a graphical representation of the map above. At any point in time, you can click on the building icon to open the Google Places integration. By opening the Google Places integration, it will show you the business name, address, and phone number of other businesses located either in the same building or at a nearby address. This is great for a leads list or to help fund a build, which we'll get into in just a moment. We'll first start with the fiber results. As you can see here, this is the address we entered or the business name we searched. It has the same Google Places integration capability, and it has a descriptor of all the services below. First, it tells you who the cable company is that services that address. It gives you the distance to fiber, and then a minimum MRC estimate to fund the fiber build. This is reverse engineered from the cable company's own internal rate of return calculator that multiplies the cost per foot and the monthly recurring charge required to cover the cost of the build. It gives you a serviceability descriptor and an anticipated time frame to install the fiber. If we move down to the lower section, coax results, we have the same input address, the same cable company that provides services to the location, a distance descriptor to coax, a serviceability descriptor of serviceable, ready to install with little to no construction, and anticipated time frame. These are all the elements of the serviceability page. They are very similar for both Spectrum, Cox, Altice, and WOW. Thanks again for watching CableFinder. We'll see you on the next episode.